Alright, really easy cider. So I picked up, these are gallons of apple cider with vitamin C. And the most important thing is to look on their ingredients and make sure it only has apple juice and ascorbic acid. If it has other weird things in them, like sorbitol, some weird stuff like that, then that means that they are preservative. So pasteurized, you're good. So what I'm gonna do for each one, pour out some of it, so we have room for the fermentation. Do a little more on each. Alright, then you only got a little bit of airspace in there, but go ahead and shake it up because we need oxygen. Okay, so you can go to the homebrew store and pick up some cider yeast. This is straight up cider yeast. This is powdered. So what I would do is I would just sprinkle some of that in there. But since I already have some already populating, I'm gonna transfer real quick. So after the 5 days that your apple cider is fermented, then you get to here where it's all clear and it's done. And I'm gonna pour this into a 2 liter that I have. And yeah, it's gonna get some oxygen, but I'm gonna carbonate the crap out of it, so not too worried. And then that sludge at the bottom there is yeast. And I'm just gonna pour that into my very next batch so that they get going. Alright, I'm gonna take these two, shake them again, get that yeast all smash in there. If you just powdered, then the powder will just be in there, it doesn't matter. I'm just using from the old to the new, and then boom. So when you store these, you just barely crack it so that the CO2 can escape. Put them in a cool, dark place. In a couple days, you'll see them start fermenting and stuff. And then this, I'm gonna carbonate and drink. So that is how you make apple cider, and just over and over and over, cycle, cycle, cycle. And then that I'm gonna drink, just because, you know, it's apple juice, right? Yes.